it's Smashley. Welcome back to my channel. What?
Welcome back to my channel.
Do I say? Okay, let me try that again. Yeah. Hey guys, it's Smashley. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it is your first time. And you know what? If it's your first time, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. For today's video, we are back with another quarantine manicure. For color today, I couldn't decide on just one polish, so I kind of chose them all. This is what we're going to be doing today. It's going to be a rainbow manicure, and wait, there's more. We're also going to be adding on top some gold foil flakes. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I have a pretty extensive nail polish collection. Of course, you can do this type of design with any nail polishes that you already have at home, but just in case you want to recreate this exact design with the exact colors, I'm just going to run through the polishes that I'm using today. So first up, for yellow, we have an Essie polish, and this one is Check Your Baggage. I'm going to start crying because I miss traveling so much. We actually used this in the last nail tutorial, so this is a Vinylux polish, and I believe this one is B-Day Candle. Next up is Revlon for our green polish, and this one is Cha-Ching. Green is my favorite color. Am I always going to say that every time we bring up green? Wow. Okay, for purple, this is a newer polish. I just picked this one up, and this one is called Lucky Lucky Lavendar. And then lastly, for blue, we have another Revlon polish. I really like their polishes, by the way. And this one is Lovestruck. Aside from the 5 polishes, of course, you guys will need a top coat. And yes, I did my research. It's Seche Vite. What the hell is it? Seche Vite. I did my research, and I already forgot how to say it. Seche Vite is what we're gonna go with. All right. Aside from that, we're gonna need the gold foil, like we talked about at the beginning of the video. I believe I got this off Amazon. I'm gonna find one similar and I'll link it for you guys in the description box below. Then of course, nail polish remover in case we mess up. And then the little angled brush that I like to use to clean up the sides like I showed you guys in the last video. By the way, I'm not going to do the full-blown manicure like we did in that first nail video. If you guys are interested in how I prep my nails before I paint them, you can go ahead and check that one out. For today, my nails are already prepped, shaped, and ready to go to get some polish on them, so we'll go ahead and start from that point. All right, so you guys know I like my assembly lines. I have all my polishes laid out, a couple cotton balls just in case we happen to need them. And then I just went ahead and filled up the cap with some nail polish remover so we can easily dip our brush and clean up any mistakes. But before we get into all of that, the very first thing that we actually need to be doing is breaking up our gold foil. This is what it looks like in the little package. It came, the one that I purchased, with some gold and silver. I happen to wear more gold accessories, so that's what we're gonna be going for. And the reason why we need to break this up now is it's gonna get really messy with wet polish later on to try and break up, and this is kind of how it comes. So I just like to take little piece by piece, and I kind of like, almost like rub them in between my fingers until we get like little pieces that we can add onto our nails. And you want all different sizes, so I would break up as many as you can. We got 10 nails to fill. We are doing gold foil, or I'm doing gold foil on all of them. And I'm just catching them in this little dish. That way it's easy to kind of just, I pick them up with my finger and place them on later. Okay, our gold flakes are all broken up. So we have all different abstract sizes. I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside. The other thing that we're gonna wanna do to prep is you should open up all of your nail polishes. That way it's just an easy grab and go. I would recommend keeping a towel close by. We don't want any spills. So we'll go ahead and do that. Right, all our nail polishes are open. I think I'm gonna do one pattern on one hand and a different pattern on the other hand. We'll see where life takes us. Essentially, you're gonna do 2 coats of each polish on each nail. So we'll go around the table twice. All right, you guys, we have 2 coats of each of the polishes on our nails, and we are good to go to start with our gold flakes. All you do is just pick them up on your finger, I use my index finger, and then gently press them down on your nails. Please make sure that your nails are mostly dry by this point. I have a little desk fan that I used to just dry them down. So we'll go ahead and just start picking up some of the flakes. I'll start with my pinky, kind of the same direction that I painted them. And we'll just start putting on the flakes in all different sizes and see what we like. I will mention, once you place them down, there's really no turning back. So you just gotta work with what you got. The cool thing about the gold flakes also is if you happen to mess up with your polish just a little bit, you can put the gold foil over it and it's very, very forgiving. Okay, you guys, here is how we're looking. We're gonna go ahead and just set I didn't end up using all of the gold flecks, but we'll just go ahead and set it aside. And last but not least, top coat. You guys ever have those ideas, say something you want to create and you imagine it in your brain, and then when you go to actually do it, you execute it perfectly to a T? I feel like that's exactly what's happened here today. And I'm just taking a look at these bad boys up close, and I'm really, really excited, A, to have my nails done, but B, to have perfectly executed my idea. Without further ado, I guess I'll show you guys a little look. Here's what we have. I'll insert some pictures too towards the end so you guys can get a better idea. But I love them. They're very me. I feel like they clearly go with any outfit. Beyonce would wear these nails, probably with real gold flakes. Time out for a second. Can we just time out? Speaking of the queen bee, if you guys have not already watched Black is King on Disney Plus, a film by Beyonce, please go ahead and do that for me tonight. It was one of the most visually appealing things that I've ever seen in my life, and I was inspired beyond belief. Beyonce is everything for me. This is a Beyonce stan channel from this day till the end of all days. Back to our regularly scheduled program. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and another nail tutorial. I think I'm gonna try to do a different set of nails every month for you guys just to kind of switch it up. So if you guys have an idea that you'd like me to do, go ahead and put that in the comment section below. Please remember to comment, like, subscribe, and catch me in the next video.